I'm Maria Lake, Senior Associate Solicitor here at Tracey Solicitors. At Tracey's, we're passionate about helping our clients recover from their accidents in public places, while we can focus on the legal world and getting their case resolved for them. Over the past 30 years, Tracey Solicitors have been focused on creating a system of people and processes to support people in Ireland who have been injured in public place accidents. We've seen everything from accidents on footpaths, playgrounds, restaurants and bars, and everything in between. We're here to ensure that if you've been in a public place accident, you can focus on your recovery and allow us to focus on resolving your case. As part of the public place accidents team, our new queries team and our solicitors will take the time to guide you through the process when you've been involved in a public place accident. We'll take you through step by step without using any legal jargon and just using plain English so that you can understand each step of the process. If you've been involved in a public place accident, the process generally consists of 3 steps. The first one, tell us about your case. Pick up the phone and speak to a member of our team today. Or you can send us an email. Generally, all we need is for you to tell us your story, what happened, and all the important information that involves. So the information that we'll guide you through and obtain from you would be the date of the accident, the location of the accident, the details of what caused the accident, so just your story in your own words. Along the way, we'll be mindful of gathering evidence. So we might prompt you to see whether there'd be any CCTV footage available, or maybe there would be some witnesses. We'll also get information in relation to your medical attendance. So if you've suffered an injury as a result of the accident, you will of course attend your GP or your hospital. Once we have your medical report, you're of course happy with it and we've approved it with you, that then enables us to make an application to what's called the Injuries Board. So the Injuries Board are a pre-court step in the accidents claims process, and once we have your medical report, we can submit the application on your behalf. We go through all of that paperwork for you and you don't have to worry about that. You just get to approve everything. Once the claim goes into the Injuries Board, they will contact the person who the claim is against and give them the option to either opt in or opt out of the Injuries Board process. Providing they opt into the process, the claim will then proceed through the Injuries Board process, which can take up to about 9 months, and during that time they will get an update on your injuries and get full details of your out-of-pocket expenses as a result of this accident. At the end of that process, the Injuries Board will put a suggested valuation on your case known as an assessment, and that is communicated to you, your legal team, and also to the other side, so whoever the case is against. We of course will review that with you, and likewise the person on the other side of the case will review that. If you are happy with it and you accept that suggested assessment, and so do the other side, the case is settled at that amount. If either you don't accept it or the other side don't accept it, the case simply is released from the Injuries Board and a document called an authorisation issues, and the case can then proceed to court. Before you start to concern yourself with court and everything that comes with it, it's important to remember that only a very small percentage of cases actually go into the courtroom before the judge. Very often, settlement meetings are arranged which bring the case to a conclusion at a much earlier stage. Indeed, the majority of cases are settled without any court hearing. Remember, your solicitor will be there to guide you at each step of the way and to bring you through this process right from the start, so you can focus on your recovery and allow us focus on resolving the case for you. At Tracey's, we make law accessible to all, regardless of your knowledge or experience of the claims process. So for more information and for a confidential discussion, contact us about your public place accident on 01 64 999 00 or email us at ask@traceysolicitors.ie and tell us about your case, where you can speak to a member of our team straight away.